Hey, what's up, y'all? Actually, getting ready to park on this challenge from Greg Garber. Greg was like, yo, we're both sitting up here writing about Under Armour and talking about Under Armour. Are you wearing Under Armour? I asked him, are you wearing Under Armour? And he asked me, are you wearing Under Armour? And I was like, no. So he issued a challenge. He was like, well, you need to get some Under Armour. And I was like, well, you need to get some Under Armour, and we need to see if Under Armour is as bad as everyone thinks they are. So what you have is me pulling up right now to an outlet. It's one of the few places in the Memphis area. I'm in Mississippi. It's one of the few places in the Memphis area where gotta bend my mask so it won't fog up my glasses, where you can buy Under Armour. And yeah, I'm gonna keep talking like this, but this is the thing. Get out the car. It's the Tanger outlet, and where Under Armour is, you see the swoosh, it's right next to Nike. Now that creates a bit of a dilemma for me. I'm wearing 99 products. Let me see if I can get those. Yeah. All right, cool. I'm wearing 99 products. So I'm going to go and see if I can find a pair of Under Armour shoes that I like. And I'll turn the camera on. I just came out of Nike on the inside, but there's Nike here too. So got a couple of N7s and some Jordan 33s. I'm going into Under Armour now just to see what I can do for this Greg Garber challenge. So let's head into Under Armour with Nike bags and 99 product shoes on and be offensive and see what we can buy. I'm just kidding. Not offensive. So I get started. I don't want to wear any basketball shoes. It's Curry's. It's Curry's. I'm not interested in any basketball shoes. I don't do a lot of hooping like that anymore. But, oh, these Project Rocks are nice. Those ain't bad. I mean, I could probably wear those. Or I can go back here to the wall, get something new, men's clearance wall. And I'm a size 13. So, and I always did like the Curry 5s. And they have the pie days. All right, I think those are the pie. Yeah, I think these are the pie days. But is that what I want to wear? I'm not sure. See how these feel. I'm gonna try these on. Do I need? No Currys. Let's put the Currys back. I need something that I can do a lot of. So I decided on, found my size 13, the UA HOVR Sonic 2. And here's a sign for it. It says, feels like gravity. Zero gravity, enhanced breathability. I got the all white pair right there. So Greg, here you go. I'm picking up the shoe. I think that was here. I don't have to worry about that. But I'm picking up the shoe. It has hover. So I'll get to see how they feel. And I'm gonna go ahead and buy these. I don't even know how much they cost. Doesn't matter. This is for the challenge. It's on you now, Greg. I'm gonna get a Swacket. So I need to find an extra large Swacket. You don't come in the store, get a pair of sneakers, and you don't not match the sneakers. So I gotta get a jacket to match the sneakers. That's what I'm doing. That's how you do it. All right. 1 second. I'm a show me kind of person, so I need to look at what you're doing.
I got you.
Okay.
So you what that little code is, that's a color code. So you type in 103 and it shows you every product we sell in that color.
Word.
So if you want to match the Swacket, where's the
My
Swacket?
Swacket.
There you
It's
go.
an extra large. I gotta try it on.
So that's the 101.
Right.
So if you want to match that 100%, take it, type in 101. It shows you every single product we sell in that color range.
All right, so I need to get pants. I dig this. I like this. Where's the UA logo on this thing?
That thing, the Swacket.
There's one on the arm.
Yeah, I don't think there is a lot of. They try to keep it streamlined as much as they can.
Very streamlined. It's clean.
Yeah,
Very clean. All right, so I need pants to go with the Swacket. Here we go. So I'm finding my pants now.
Yeah. So what this is it's just a solid material. Again, just single seams.
Yeah.
All right, but this is gonna be more of your casual pant. As you can see right here, it is just it's a more solid material. It's a little bit thicker material.
Yeah.
But it still has that jogger, so you're still gonna have that tapered look, loose up here, thin at the bottom, so it's gonna look like a slimmed down look.
Okay.
Especially the black, it's gonna slim your figure out more as you go down.
Yeah.
Obviously.
So I'm a 38
Okay.
again. So what size should I see? Damn it. And that way y'all don't think I'm getting a deal or something on this. So here we go. $295.30. I'm not getting a deal. Because most of you guys always think I'm getting a deal. And I'm not. That's it. Back at the studio. Everything here was engineered to make you better. And then the other side has a big logo. So let's get to this unboxing. Unwrapping, unboxing. There's a lot going on here. And it's insane that I've never done an Under Armour shoe on this site. But today I'll do an Under Armour shoe. And you'll notice I'm wearing Nike intentionally. And I hope that the camera picks up all the lint that's on this shirt. A lot of the Nike products, when you guys say that Nike makes everything great, it's not necessarily true, man. This shirt is covered in lint. I can't even get the lint off of it. I know how to wash clothes. My wife knows how to wash clothes. We all know how to wash clothes. But it doesn't matter because a lot of my Nike gear and shirts and stuff like that pretty much ruined, man. It's not that great. But I also have the Under Armour Swacket, right? Whack name. They should have never come up with this Swacket thing. But what you'll notice is there's no big logo on this joint. There's one right here on the arm, and then there's one on the sleeve with just the name. And I got the Swacket, and I also got a pair of the training pants, and all of this stuff is water repellent. All water repellent, which is super important for me, especially being in Memphis, man, because we can get thunderstorms at the drop of a dime. But everything here is water repellent. My price, my ticket on all of this came out to $295. I'm turning this. The MSRP on the HOVR, this is the HOVR Sonic 2, is $100. So the jacket was pricey, the pants are pricey, and that's actually a good thing when you want to get to it. It means that Under Armour is making sure to maximize their outlet locations, because I can't find Under Armour in my regular stores that I attend or go to every day. Oh, I like this, the fact that there's a zipper on this pocket. So this is going to be a longer video than usual. As a matter of fact, this video is probably going to end up being about 15 minutes with all of the in-store stuff, because I made sure to go in the store, videotape that process. So you're going to get to watch this, and it's going to be a lot. This is not going to be a quick video. There's no big giant Under Armour logo on these pants either. But you can see that they're fitted down at the waist. Okay, there goes my Under Armour. And it's like a silicone kind of transfer applique. But this thing is nice, man. This stuff is nice. And for all of the complaints and discussions that we have in condemning Under Armour for bad design, I'm going to take this out. The shoe connects to the Under Armour app. And you can connect it using Bluetooth, and it'll monitor your steps. I love that. That's cool. I initially thought that was a waste of time. I no longer think that's a waste of time. I like the idea of the box having download to connect. You can get it on the App Store or Google Play. UA Map My Run, and I used to use Map My Run, but I don't run as much anymore. But I made it a point to where Nike Epic Reacts, this is the version 1, because it's super important to realize that a lot of the opinions about Under Armour are that they are opinions. the fact that people compare and say Under Armour makes crappy shoes or poorly designed shoes, it diminishes the fact that these designers are taking a lot of time to create product. Now, when I was in the store, it really was some bad design, but at the same time, there's a lot of bad Nike design. The problem is Under Armour does not have a long rope to make mistakes. You're not everywhere in stores. People can't see you, so it's difficult to buy you. But these things look good, high abrasion rubber on the outsole. These things look good. So I'm going to do everything the same as usual. I'm going to give you the name of the shoe, the UA HOVR Sonic 2, the style code 302-1586103. And the color is white, obviously. The inside of it has the Bluetooth logo and the HOVR Sonic logo. This is a size 13, my size, of course, which means you know I'm keeping it or my son will steal it. Under Armour has the website on it on the side, and that's it. Then the bottom has the trademarks and the information on the bottom of the box. But I'm going to do a close-up of the shoes, and then I am going to put on the clothes, and I guess I'll do an on-foot and a modeling session. All right, you guys, here's a close-up. It's extremely difficult for you to really get a great look at the product, but the HOVR Sonic 2 is a basic shoe, and then when I try to make sure it stays in focus, it's so white that it's difficult to see the lines of the shoe, but this HOVR logo here on the side, I love how HOVR looks, and I've always looked at it when I did find the shoes in store, and remember that it's a Bluetooth connection. And I always thought the HOVR setup, the design, the way they positioned it where you could see the HOVR, I thought it was unique. I'd always thought it was interesting. But that's the heel of the shoe. I'm not quite sure. I know this is a fabric overlay and that the cushioning system is HOVR underneath, so I'm not sure that that is HOVR. That's a fabric overlay that just gives you the idea that you can see the HOVR cushioning system. But when people say that Under Armour makes ugly shoes, it's an opinion. These look just as good as my Epic Reacts. They look just as good. So now, are there shoes that were at the outlet that were just not very good looking? Yeah. But I mean, come on, man. Let's keep it real. I got a piece of dirt on my shoe there. Let's keep it real. You got ugly shoes. In every, all right, let's say the Air Max 200, right? The Air Max 200 is not a good looking shoe. And you guys know that. So we don't have to front and talk about that. All right, so that's the close-up of the shoe. Let's go on. Get the clothes on and see the fit of all of this Under Armour stuff. 1 second. All right, so I got on my Swacket. The Swacket retails for $140. All right. I actually think it's worth $140. I think it's a dope jacket. It's a really dope jacket. It feels good. I get the idea of the sweater and jacket concept. I dig that. I like that. And it's water repellent, like I said. Right? So the pants, I'm trying to see where I think the pants are $79.99 and the Under Armour logo is here. So we got a logo here, but it's black so it blends in. We have this logo, and you really can't see that either. And a lot of the comments and the shoes feel freaking great. They feel great. Now I'll do an on close up on foot so you guys can see the shoes and see the fit of the pants down here at the bottom of the leg. I'll make sure I do that as well, but I wanted to get this real quick kind of full body shot in of this Under Armour gear because there's a complete misconception about Under Armour. I've held it for a long time. We've all kind of held it. And I'm not advertising for Under Armour. I'm looking at a healthy retail atmosphere for sportswear, footwear. And when you have a healthy atmosphere, prices come down across the board. They don't go up. Hopefully you guys get what I'm saying here. And I got to get this thing away from in front of me, don't I? So let's get some close-ups going here of the entire set. I'm cool with this. Now, I could possibly go up half a size. I could go up half a size because I can feel my toe is right here. I still got a touch of room. But this knit that they're using on this shoe, it's stronger than the fly knit that Under Armour, that Nike uses. This knit is stronger, so it's shaping and conforming to my foot a little bit more, so I'm probably going to need a little bit of a break-in time because my toe, I can feel the kind of tightness around my toe. That's it. Let's get to this kind of close-up. And I know this is long, but I hope you guys stayed with me this whole time, man. The stuff is fresh. So that whole idea that it won't cross over for an old head like me, I can wear this all day and dudes will be like, man, what the hell you wearing? And I know they will. And then when they recognize that it's Under Armour, they'll be like, oh no, that's whack. But that's why Under Armour has to change the way they think. I still box, right? I don't run as much, but I do help train my daughter who runs track and field. I work with her. I still go and do a few jump shots around. Guys like me that will actually wear a full uniform. Like kids now, they'll wear like Adidas pants, Nike shirt, Fila shoes. They'll wear anything. They don't even care about staying consistent in what they're wearing. Dudes like me, old heads, we will wear the same thing from top to bottom. So it's something to think about for brands, specifically a brand like Under Armour, where you got older guys like me who are trying to stay in shape. All right? That's it though. I gotta make sure I get this close up so you guys can see the shoes on the shoes so you can see what they look like on foot. Because I know for a fact, all of the videos I have on here are Nike and Adidas. So you don't get to see the shoes. A shoe like this, you won't get to see it that often. It'll be on a running station or something like that. But I want to wiggle my toe so you can see where my toe is on here. And that's what I was saying. This knit is really strong. So I can feel it on my right toe a little bit, but I probably need to cut my toenails. So here's the on foot. And once again, the shoes feel incredible. They feel great. But I think I'm going to wrap it up because this is a long video and I didn't mean for it to be this long. You know, but I wanted to make sure I gave Under Armour a fair shot, and I think it's a good video for a Friday Insider Ties. That's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Nice job, Under Armour. I think I'm going to keep this on for the rest of the day. Peace.